In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a contact in ManyChat. This is a simple but important maintenance task that helps keep your audience data clean, improves segmentation accuracy, and prevents test or duplicate profiles from skewing your results. Deletion is permanent, so take a moment to confirm you're working in the correct workspace and that you truly want to remove the profile before proceeding. Begin by opening your ManyChat workspace and going to the Home tab. This is your main dashboard and a good place to verify you are in the right account, especially if you manage more than one brand. A quick glance here can save you from deleting the wrong contact by mistake. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Contacts. This brings up your full subscriber list across all connected channels. If your list is large, you can use the search field or filters to locate the person you intend to remove. The deletion process is identical regardless of how you find them, so choose whatever method is fastest for you. When you see the profile you want to remove, click the contact to open their details. You'll now see key information like tags, custom fields, the channel they came from, and their recent interactions. This is your chance to double check that you've selected the correct individual. If there's anything you might need later, such as a note, a tag reference, or a timestamp, capture it now outside of ManyChat, because deleting the contact will remove their profile and associated data from your workspace. With the contact profile open, locate the three-dot menu, usually in the upper right of the profile panel. This menu contains additional actions related to that contact. Choose Delete Contact from the menu. ManyChat will display a warning to make sure you understand that deletion is final. This option is best for removing test profiles, outdated leads, or entries you're certain you no longer need. If you only want to stop messaging someone without erasing their data, that's a different action, but today we're focusing on full removal. To confirm the deletion, type the word delete exactly as shown in the prompt. This is a safeguard to prevent accidents and ensures you understand the consequences. Finally, click the delete button to complete the process. The contact will be removed immediately. If your list is still open, refresh the page to confirm they're gone. If this person reaches out again through a supported channel and provides consent, they may reappear as a new contact with a fresh profile. And that's the full workflow. Home tab, Contacts, open the profile, three-dot menu, delete contact, type delete, and confirm. Keeping your list tidy supports better analytics and smoother automations as you grow.